Alright, you guys, welcome back to the Lee Adventures in Tokyo. Today we're headed back to the train again, a different way, and we're going to the Warner Brothers Harry Potter studio tour. So take you guys with us, show you what that's like. We're gonna eat some food, see what they have to offer.
It's not raining, by the way, it's just hot.
Yeah, it's really hot. So
this is what they do to block the sun out here.
Yep, so here we go. Alright, we're on the train. We got like 6 more stops. It's really easy to travel on a train out here.
We already did I think we did like 5 already.
5, yep. A couple more to go. It's really easy to get everywhere on trains. There's a lot of traffic and it's cheap to travel on a train too. So save yourself the headache of running around in Ubers and just find the train and go, because all these places are like an hour away. So the train, there's no traffic, it's quick, it's easy, and there's always a route. So here we go. All right, just got off the train. We're gonna go to 7-Eleven real quick.
Little statue things up.
Experience for all of us.
Look, it's moving.
That's 5.
Must leave. Yeah. He's over there. Alright, you guys, so we have concluded our tour and now we got food at the cafe. And
It's so good. Oh my gosh.
so we're gonna try it, and then after this we're headed back to the hotel.
It looks really good.
Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you soon. Exit in.
I got my shoes.